Tony Santo here with the unboxing of the Intrepid 8x10 Mark II. The package is very light. I ordered mine on June the 3rd and it shipped September 30th, and then I received it October 3rd. And now it's time for the unboxing. We've got a nice little thank you card. Thank you for ordering. You're now part of the fastest growing large format community. That's kind of cool. I should put that over here. And let's see, I ordered a lens board that will reduce my lens board size from the larger 5.5 or 6 inches down to the 4-inch size here. So that's what that is. That'll save some nice space. And let me just get rid of the box there. Very nicely wrapped. You can really smell that fresh lacquer or whatever they use to protect the plywood. And it's got a nice cushion here for the ground glass. It is extremely light, and that's the reason why I purchased this camera, was because it only weighs 2.5 kilograms. I'll have to weigh mine specifically to see how much it actually weighs, but this is absolutely incredible. My Zone 6 camera weighs a little over 15 pounds, which is quite a bit when you're trying to hike. And it was really last year when I went to the subway in Zion National Park that I felt like I really needed to find a way to lighten my load a little bit. And so that's when I started looking at camera alternatives, and this just seemed like the best option to go with for lightening the load a little bit, because the camera was just simply the largest load in my bag. Of course, the lenses and film holders can be quite heavy, but this is just amazing that this camera is so light. That's going to make it so much easier to go backpacking with. Well, that's the unboxing of the Intrepid 8x10 Mark II camera. I hope that you like this video. Please leave a comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Maybe even hit the little bell sign so that you get notification of when I put out another video. And if you feel so inclined, maybe donate $1 or $2 to help me keep this channel going. Thanks for watching.